So in this assignment number 4, I'm going to demonstrate the rest of the implementation that is needed over here. Let's start. I'll share my screen. Yeah. So we'll start with loading the product dimension. As you can see, we can preview the uh, label of the columns over here. And what I did is like I set these two fields as in sending order as yes. And then in the dimension lookup, I set a new products key as the primary key, and then the effective date, and remove these two keys, product ID and effective date from the all the fields. So this will be my final query, but yeah, just a second. I'll just drop those tables first. Cannot drop it unless we drop faxels. Now we can see it's empty. By the way, the database that we are using is assignment 4. Can just quickly show it. Show databases. And we are going to use this database over here. So, and again, show tables. Yeah, empty. Everything's empty right now. So now you can see this particular SQL query. I like to show it as this way. So let's execute it. Okay, close. Okay, let's run this dim product just once to see if it works. Yeah, we can say it works. Tables, select all tables, dim product. Basically. Yeah, so we can see the values that are loaded over here, the column name. We can actually see it in MySQL as well. Mm, yeah, cool. Yeah, so you can see the values over here. Uh, Now that it is loaded, let's just remove this table for now because we want to run the job. Drop table, product, show tables, no tables again. Cool. We'll first run the job now. Before loading the dim product, what we will do is like we will create the table. For that, we have added a script, and if the table already exists, we can remove it. I really didn't need to. And we are going to add a dummy row at the -1 value because that is one of the requirements in this assignment. Let's run this job. Wait, let's first clear the log. Yeah, yeah, cool. Let's see now. Show tables, describe dim product, good, and select all from dim product. Yeah, we can see now -1, none. Even check it in. Same. We have -1, none. So we added the dummy row. So the processing is done for the same. Now let's go to the build dim all. So what we have done over here is like we added the build dim product at the end, and yeah, and change the connection for the database for all those queries. So yeah, once we run it, it will create the fact sales table, right? If fact tables exist, sorry, it will create the dim date, dim customer, and dim product table. I think just in case, I'll just create all tables. Alright. So we don't have to remove the table, but I'm just doing it for to show that everything works. It takes a bit of time and then let's see now. Show tables. We can see we have dim customer, dim date, and dim product. We can even check. We can describe them first. Describe customer, how it is structured. We can see the customer's key. Same is for product as key, and then same is for date. So yeah, now we need to create the pixels, which is already built to be honest, but we just need to change a little bit into it, make few changes into it. So the changes that we are going to do is in the surrogate key pipeline. We changed the query. We added the join on the left. We performed the left outer join, and then what we did is like we added this as a foreign key. The facts sales table. We will use. We will add this part for the foreign key. We will use products key. So once we run this, it should add two more tables. All right. Now, if we see the table, show tables. Yeah, we have 5 tables. And if you check the values of it, select all fact sales, should be able to see it. Check it here or somewhere. Over here as well. Yeah, we can see it. Wilson stage. Sales source. And in order to check if what we did is right, we can check the count of the fax sales and count of the stage sales by selecting the dim customer. So let's check it. So we can see that this is 35 and this is 35 as well. So this is what we wanted over here, and that's why it makes sense that we have completed the assignment successfully. Stop. Stop.